The COVID-19 pandemic has impacted businesses and disrupted industries around the world. Organizations need to innovate and transform, not only to remain competitive, but to survive. Global leaders and industry players from across the manufacturing value chain are converging at this year's Future of Manufacturing Summit to discuss and share best practices to transform our industry. Join us and get first-hand insights from our distinguished panel of industry leaders from the region on how you can build business competitiveness and resilience, how you can seek out opportunities to scale and grow, and how you can shape the future of manufacturing. We hope to see you there.